Hi everyone, Stacy Holman again with another unboxing video for my Young Living essential oils shipment. It is June, so this is my June shipment, and I'm really excited as always to share with you what I bought. So let's just get started. Okay, so, and I also got a couple new oils for free because of what I got. All right, so I'm really excited. Let's start with this big boy here. All right, so I bought 2 bottles. There's 2 bottles in here because remember a couple months ago I bought the Ningxia Red kit. Well, I ran out because my husband also likes the Ningxia Red too. So there's 2 bottles in here, so I'm really excited about that. And then, let me see, I'm going down my list just to make sure. Oh, you guys, that's right. I also got these clear vegetable capsules because like the Vitality oils, I'm going to be posting a video if I have enough space on my tablet to upload it. I'm going to be posting a video. It's a cooking show. Well, you'll just have to watch to find out, but that video is mainly for the purpose of demonstrating how you can use the Young Living Vitality oils in your cooking, even drinks. So remember that too. You can use them in your drinks. I like grapefruit in my water. I like orange in my water. I like peppermint in my tea at night. So these capsules, you can fill them. Well, it says on here, it should say somewhere in my information books and things, how many drops of the Vitality oils can fit in here. So, and I also made like little tinctures, I think that's what they're called, of that's combines a couple Vitality oils that are good for the system, for whether it's gut health or anything else, whatever, just overall wellness. And my husband doesn't like the taste of it, so I'm thinking, well, you know what, if I can put them in these capsules, he won't even taste it. They'll just go right through them. So I'm really excited about these. And what else? Okay, I also got a bar of soap. A couple months ago, I got the charcoal soap, but this one here is Sacred Mountain. So I'm really excited because I ran out a few days ago for my bar of soap, and I've been using my husband's just until I got mine. So really happy about this. So then I also got the Cleansing Trio. Okay, so I'm going to do a cleanse. So this is what, let's see. I'm trying to go through this. All right, I'll go through the Cleansing Trio in just a nuno momento. I don't know why I said it like that, but okay. Hold on. I have to open this tube again because these are where the oils come in, which is really nice. So they're not clanging all over the place. All right, I also got more Digest Vitality because I do use this. This is great. Okay, I use this personally. This is just me personally. I'm not speaking on anybody else's behalf, but for me personally, I have a lot of indigestion for whatever reason. I just do. So Digest really helps me. I mix this with with another Vitality oil and mix them together. And this works wonders. Wonders. I love it for myself. Again, I'm not a doctor. I just know from my experience that this helps me with my indigestion big time. So I got that. All right. Done. Okay. And now for my cleansing trio. Okay. So, boop, 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 boop. I'm gonna cleanse. Yay! All right. So these come together. This is the cleansing trio I bought for myself. I'm just gonna give it a whirl and see how it goes. It comes with ICP herbal supplement, it's gentle intestinal cleanse with essential oils. Okay, good times. And along with that comes Comfort Tone. All right, this is herbal supplement. Herbal formula that promotes normal digestion. Of course, I need that. And then there's Essential Zyme dietary supplement. And this is peppermint coated bilayer capsules. Or caplets. Not capsules. Caplets. Learn how to read, Stacy. It's a multi-enzyme blend. So I'm going to start these right away. Probably tomorrow, because I have to work for a few hours this afternoon. And then I have the next 2 days off, so I'm going to try it and see how it goes. And then because I bought all that, I got these 2 oils for free. The 15 millimeter oil size bottles. Yay! The big bottles. So I have citronella. Get that one for free. And then eucalyptus globulus. So I do have a bottle of this, but I use it a lot because I have sinus issues, and so I'll mix this with some peppermint. Great. These are great. And it also works for me if I have like a little cold, or if I feel like I have a cough coming on, then this really helps me. Again, eucalyptus globulus and citronella. So I'm going to start with my cleansing, and then I'm also going to use my oils like I always do every day of my life, and my capsules, and I'll let you know how it goes. I'll report back, because this will be my first time doing this cleanse. There's a couple other different cleanses here that Young Living offers, but I chose to go with the trio for now at first, and but I'm really excited to start. Also, really excited to start with the capsules, because I really want my husband to reap the benefits, but he just doesn't like the taste of it under his tongue. So I'm going to put them in capsules. So I will report back to you to let you know how I'm doing. And if you've tried a cleanse, whether it's Young Living or something else, hopefully Young Living, but if there's something else that you've tried, just any cleanse, what did you think of them? Did they work well for you? So I'm going to start mine, and I'll let you know how it goes. All right, so again, you can go on my website, stacyholman.com. I'll have videos there as well. There's also a ton of information regarding the different Young Living products, and just how to get started. And if you want to start your own journey on putting your health first and you have questions on how to get started, please let me know. You can go to stacyholman.com and reach me there. You can comment on the videos on my blog as well. You can also email me, and I will get back to you and answer any questions you have. Again, it's stacyholman.com. And also subscribe to the blog, because I'm going to start to do some challenges, and you'll be able to earn free products, even handmade products that are my favorites, as well as updates on my blog and products. So again, please subscribe to my website to reap benefits, and I will see you soon. All right, love you. Bye bye.